If you're a college student in Bhubaneswar right now, you must be dealing with either of the two things. You need cash, but you don't have enough time, or you have skills, but no one will hire you without at least 5 years of experience. Welcome to UniGigs. I'm Ishita Rai, and we are not just building yet another job board. We are rather building a movement. Our purpose? To completely redefine college hustle. We let students monetize their brains on their own time. Your brains, your hours, real impact. Our target audience is hyperlocal. Gen Z students across Odisha who want to build their portfolios and local businesses who need fresh, affordable talent. Right now, the market positioning is broken. Either you work a rigid part-time job that ruins your grades, or you compete globally and get lost in the algorithm. Unicake sits right in the sweet spot. Localized, flexible, and student first. Here is how we engineered our matrix to grab your attention. Hello. Today I'll be walking you through the social media strategy and engineered content for Unigigs. Our core objective for this handle was to build an engaging, relatable brand identity for university students in Bhubaneswar. As you can see from our bio, the message is clear. Fuel your studies, fund your dreams. We wanted to position Unigigs not just as a job board, but as a lifestyle enabler for students. Let's look at our value-driven content. This carousel, 3 skills making Bhubaneswar students rich right now, is designed to be highly savable and shareable. By focusing on highly relevant digital marketing skills like short-form video editing, growth marketing and SEO, and graphic design, we are providing immediate actionable value. This establishes authority and builds trust with our student audience who are looking to upskill and monetize their free time. To boost algorithm visibility, we engineered interactive content like this. Hold the dots and scroll post. It's a gamified branding exercise that increases the average time spent on the post, sending positive engagement signals to the Instagram algorithm while cleverly revealing our logo. Moving on to our reels, we lean into relatable, aspirational formats. This POV reel hits a major pain point and desire, getting paid for a weekend gig without having to skip a single lecture. The visual of the phone notification showing 1500 transferred successfully is a strong, tangible hook for our demographic. Finally, a cornerstone of our strategy is network synergy. In this reel, we executed a strategic cross-promotional campaign. We collaborated with complementary brands, that is Resume to Runway for HR and career prep, Campus Connects for networking, and Tiffin Cart for daily student needs. By packaging these together into a student survival kit visual inside the backpack, we tapped into the audiences of all 4 entities simultaneously, creating a comprehensive ecosystem for the student. From teaser posts like Unigigs is calling to our official December 1st launch graphic, every piece of content was mapped out to build awareness, deliver value, and ultimately drive student registrations. Thank you. Welcome to the digital ecosystem of Unigigs. Today I'll be walking you through our platform's value proposition and how we have optimized our local footprint. Our core design philosophy is right there on the screen: connect, earn, learn. We wanted the visual identity to immediately resonate with our target demographic, ambitious university students right here in Bhubaneswar. When designing the platform's features, we knew the user experience had to be frictionless. We focused on 3 main pillars: a hyperlocal gig marketplace, a built-in professional portfolio, and on-demand talent sourcing. For someone juggling final semester marketing projects or preparing for a weekend band performance, time is everything. So we designed the system so that every completed gig automatically updates a verified digital resume. It's about building a real-world portfolio before they even graduate. Our messaging directly addresses the biggest student pain points: achieving financial independence without compromising academic gaps. To build immediate trust, we integrated localized social proof, showcasing actual success stories and early reviews from students at local campuses like Exam University makes the platform feel attainable and community-driven. But a great digital platform needs strong local discoverability. Moving over to our Google business profile, this is where our hyperlocal SEO strategy anchors itself. We are proud to maintain a 4.8 star rating, which acts as a massive trust signal for both local businesses and students.
They tell you college is just for learning, but the world doesn't wait for graduation. You have the skills businesses need right now, but you're trapped between rigid jobs and unpaid internships. You have the brain and the drive, but you didn't have the platform until now. Welcome to the evolution of the gig economy. Welcome to Unigigs. We aren't just another job board. We are the digital pulse of the student community in Odisha. We're connecting the brightest young minds with the city's most innovative founders. No corporate red tape, just high-impact work that fits perfectly into your life. You choose the gig that matches your vibe and your schedule. On Unigigs, every project is a brick in your professional foundation. Build a portfolio that speaks louder than any CV. Bhubaneswar, it's time to plug in.
Level up how you work and earn? Unigigs connects students like you to meaningful opportunities right here in the city. Gain experience and start earning while you study. It's your career jumpstart. Ready to level up? Scan the QR, drop us an email at unigigs25@gmail.com or WhatsApp us at 94388 44700 to join the waitlist. Bhubaneswar, let's build the future of work together. Unigigs, connect, earn, learn.